Hello, welcome to the Bright Vision School. So this is Tawab Khan. I've been teaching English language for many years, teaching English language for a specific purpose, and TEFL, teaching English languages for language, and IELTS. So आज का जो ये हमारा सेशन है, it's going to be very interesting because Bright Vision School have decided that we are now going through this project कि अब हम इंग्लिश वीडियोस जो है इंग्लिश सेशन का भी बाकायदा आगाज करेंगे ऑनलाइन एंड विच यू कैन वॉच फ्री, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. और अब इसमें इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ अंडर मैट्रिक एंड इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर ग्रेजुएशन, जिस भी लेवल पर आप हैं, so you can watch these videos and which would be really helpful for you because as it is said that English is an international language. So हम इंशाल्लाह आगे चलकर जो है मुख्तलिफ और एक्टिविटीज की भी जो है वो हम बाकायदा तौर पर इसका आगाज करेंगे. बट राइट नाउ हम जो है वो एक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे हम बाकायदगी से जो है वो आगे फर्दर कंप्लीट कोर्स वुड बी देयर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एंड मेक श्योर डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच these videos on Bright Vision School page. Okay, so today we will discuss some common English expressions which is commonly used by native speakers of English. Normally हम कहते हैं how are you, means how are you, आप कैसे हैं. So means the answer could be I'm fine, I'm good. These are generally given answers. But today we are looking a bit different, more natively, कि किस तरह naturally जो है उसको बोला जाता है. So number first here I'm telling you about that. How is it going? Instead of saying how are you all the time, you can use how is it going. So how is it going? But if you use it more naturally, कि जिसको आप मोर जो नेटिव स्पीकर यूज करते हैं, दैट्स अ बिट वेरी इन फास्ट इंग्लिश. तो उसमें हम क्या कैसे यूज करेंगे, लाइक हाउ इज इट के बजाय हाउज इट, हाउज इट. सो यू कैन कैच इट हियर, हाउज इट, हाउज इट, हाउज इट. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग गोइंग, से गोइंग, गोइंग, हाउज इट गोइंग. सो नाउ हाउज इट गोइंग, हाउज इट गोइंग. You can practice this when you repeat it. So repetition is the key here. Remember this. Listen and repeat. How's it going? And then the answer could be I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm great. और इस तरीके से ये भी हो सकता है कि how's it going और how's it going with you. Specifically अगर आप किसी को specify करना चाहते हैं, how's it going with you? How's it going with him? Okay, so then and the next is what have you been up to? What have you been up to? यानी आप क्या कर रहे थे और या क्या कर रहे हैं. It could be in any situation you can use it, but we cannot directly translate this into Urdu language, so that's why Urdu or Hindi, so that's why better to keep it simple in English. So what have you been up to, or what have you doing? What have you doing? So हम इसको यूं भी कह सकते हैं when we speak it more natively, more naturally. So what have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have यानी ये ऐसे हो जाएगा what have. Instead of saying what have, it's what have you been up to. And then the answer could be like I've been busy, I've been sleeping all day, I've been working all day, I've been sleeping a lot. For example, after a week or after 3 days आपकी मुलाकात होती है और आप फिर पूछते हैं कि भाई कहाँ थे, क्या कर रहे थे. So what have you been up to? So the answer is I've been busy, मैं काफी मसरूफ रहा, and I've been sleeping a lot, और मैंने ज्यादा अरसा जो है वो सोते हुए गुजारा. So then these are common expressions while when you greet someone, like okay, then how have you been? Instead of saying what have you been, you can also say how have you been. So How have you been? I've been okay. I've been great. Okay, so these are common expressions that we have discussed over here, and in our next video, inshallah, we will be discussing more common expressions. So stay tuned. Never forget to watch these videos on the Bright Vision School channel and page, and make sure you subscribe it.